You ever have a judgmental thought about someone and you're like, ugh, I don't want to be the type of person that thinks that thought. And then you start shaming yourself for thinking that. And then you also feel kind of paranoid that the other person can pick up on your judgment. And no matter how hard you try to not be the person that thinks those types of intrusive thoughts, you can't help it. The pattern just keeps coming back. Yeah, it's more common than you think. And it's easier to heal than you think. You can actually change that pattern for good, even though you've probably been trying your whole life and you just can't. It starts by recognizing through a parts work lens that that part of you that feels judgmental towards other people is protecting you. So we can start by just acknowledging what it's trying to do. It's trying to protect the part of you that felt judged at some point, that felt inferior, maybe on the playground at some point because somebody made fun of you and you felt put down and small. And then that protector part comes in and says, oh, if I judge other people on your behalf, then I can feel superior. At least I don't have to feel totally inferior. And so, of course, we don't consciously think this as adults, but the childlike protector part of us comes in to try to help us in that way. And then it starts playing that outdated software in our mind. So if we can just acknowledge and be grateful as a starting point for what it's trying to do instead of shaming it, if you just go ahead and do that, if that feels true to you, you'll notice that that judgmental part of you might start to feel like, oh, thank you. I've been trying to show up for you in this way, even though it's been kind of dysfunctional. And then you can go, if it feels safe, you can go to that part of you that felt small, that felt judged by someone else, that felt inferior or unequal in some way, and you can just show it love. And you can just say to that part of you in this moment, hey, I'm here for you now. You can try it right now. You just say, I know you felt small back then. I know you bought into the things people might have said about you back then, but you don't have to. It wasn't true. It wasn't real, even though it felt like it at the time. You can just say, hey, you're enough. You can say, hey, I love you, and just show it that warmth. Show that part of you that felt hurt in that way, that warmth, and that love and that acceptance. And in that way, that part of you doesn't have to feel like it's on a totem pole anymore trying to protect itself. It just feels like it's under your wing and it's being protected. You can say to that part of you, you're fundamentally equal to everyone else. Everyone belongs. Everyone's worthy of love, including you. You can say that to that part of you that needs to hear that. And if it feels like that part of you was able to receive that, you can now go to that protector part of you that was judging people to try to feel some feeling of superiority so it wouldn't have to feel inferiority. And you can say, hey, look at this part of me that is now a little bit more healed, that doesn't feel as inferior. You don't have to judge other people anymore to make that part feel better. You don't have to protect that part in this way anymore. Go ahead and try it. And as that part of you that was judging sees that it doesn't have to do that anymore, it might start to breathe a sigh of relief and start to release some of that energy, some of that burden that it was carrying. And in the future, it might start to feel that it doesn't really need to judge people as much anymore because it doesn't need to serve that protective function. But the judgment still sometimes might come up, and if it does, you can just go to that hurt part of you and say, hey, tell it what it needs to hear, show it some love. And then go to that protecting judgment part and say, you really don't have to do this anymore. I appreciate it. But it's safe to just be loving towards people, appreciate people, boost people up. And if you repeat that process and show up for those parts of you, it will get that message over time. And you'll notice progressively, as you might even be starting to notice now, that that judgmental part will just relax of its own accord. You don't have to shame it. You don't have to berate it. You don't have to try to push it out. You can just understand what it was trying to do. Send it a new message, heal all those parts, and you'll start to see a shift. If this helped, let me know your experience in the comments and any questions you might have, and have a great day.